Now that you have set up your RefWorks access, you will see a screen with a set of options. Initially, your RefWorks will not contain any references, as you need to import them from other sources. Examples of these sources are databases such as Medline or CINAHL, and the library's catalog Hunter. We will look at how to import references in another video. We will show you how to import references in a minute, but for now let's look at what you can do on the RefWorks landing page. There are three main places with menu options that you will frequently use. On the left-hand side you can manage your folders. At the top you find the Quick Citation and Bibliography tool, deduplication, and you can download Reference Citation Manager RCM for Word. And finally, on the right-hand side you can edit your references. In order to edit your references, you need to click on the reference you want to edit, and a new menu will appear. By clicking on the pen icon, you can edit each individual part of your reference. Click on Save to save your new updated reference. On the menu on the right-hand side, you can also click on Find it in STL to find the resource in Hunter. Let's have a look at the menu options on the left-hand side. The most frequently used options are All References, Last Imported, and My Folders. All References is the default view when you log into RefWorks. This initially displays all the references that you have imported into RefWorks in the order in which you added or imported them. Last Imported displays the most recent references that you imported. These references will not yet be in any folder, but you could assign them to folders by ticking this box. Even if you clear the Last Imported section, your references will still be displayed in your list of all references. The My Folders option allows you to create folders into which you can move your references. Your folders will be displayed as a list, which you can sort. You can add a new folder by name. To add a reference to a folder, either drag and drop it, or tick the box here and click on Assign to Folder and choose which one you want to assign it to. Another set of menu options or buttons is above your list of references. Some of these are grayed out unless you have selected a specific reference or set of references. We will briefly mention the most frequently used ones. The Add button allows you to upload a document, import a list of references from a file, or manually create a reference. The Create Bibliography button gives you the opportunity to quickly create a bibliography or a citation from your references. Most people prefer to use Reference Citation Manager, RCM, a Microsoft Word add-on which we will cover in another video. You can use the Tools button to check if you have any duplicate references. You can also use the Tools section to download RCM. The Search option allows you to search within the references that you have in your reference account. For example, we could search for study skills. A better way to find your references is to manage them in folders, which we will cover more later. Finally, there are some options on the right-hand side above your list of references. Initially, RefWorks defaults to normal view. There are various options to change this view. The most useful one is Citation View. You will see that my references are now displayed in the Harvard referencing style, which is the citation view I have selected. Any missing information from references is also helpfully highlighted in yellow or in blue. Use the cog next to the citation view to select the reference system that you wish to use. If we're using Harvard, then you should select Harvard FH SCE and SGR from the options. RefWorks remembers the view that you used last, so next time you log into RefWorks, it should display references in the citation view. Here you can also change the number of results per page and the order in which the references are listed. Some of these functions that I just discussed will be discussed in more detail in following videos.